What did you see that you definitely weren't supposed to see? I was waiting in a condo apartment lobby. I asked the concierge for the Wi-Fi password. She was not good with computers and just turned her screen to show a text file that had every important password and key code for the building. I am talking router password, boiler room key combination, package room door code, security camera server password, their concierge email login, everything. Because she didn't want to read out each letter, she let me take a picture of it. Story 2. My sister discovered that someone had searched pregnant erect nipples on the home computer. My dad and I both denied it, and we were the only two males in the house. It wasn't me. Story 3. I was at a friend's house when I was a kid. We were doing crafts on the front porch and I needed tape for something. I ran to the backyard to go ask her mom for some, and when I walked through the pool fence gate, I saw her mom giving her dad a BJ on the lounge chair. I couldn't look her dad in the eyes after that. Most awkward experience I've ever had.